Hello guys, and good afternoon. So today we brought the XV70. So the Camry natin na kaka-purchase na natin to my favorite shop here in Makati, Electrovox. So Raj, the owner, is there, and his dad and his brother's there, and we're gonna replace the stereo, guys, kasi as you all know, especially people who own this XV70 V Camry, walang backup camera, and second, walang wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So in my case, Apple CarPlay ang kailangan ko. So papalitan natin ng Pioneer stereo, which I'm gonna show you later, guys. Then I'm gonna replace yung ilaw dito kasi it's still halogen. Hindi siya kagaya nito na LED. So palitan natin. Also the door lights, we're gonna replace to LED, and also the trunk lights will replace to LED. And we'll install a backup camera, the same as my XV50 camera before. Sobrang linaw kahit sa gabi, guys. Sobrang linaw. So, which will help when reversing this pretty wide sedan, diba? Kasi mid-size sedan. It's pretty wide, guys. I think this is the widest Camry yet. But parang for me, this drives, or this feels like, in terms of size, guys, like the XV40 Camry or other places it's known as Orion, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, yung pronunciation, but yun, that's how it feels like inside. It's pretty wide inside. I like it. I've been driving it for 2 days pa lang. Sobrang okay yung car. Matipid compared to, of course, the V6 that I had. But the V6, guys, it's pretty matipid for me. That's just my opinion. I think it's pretty matipid for how much power that car produces. That basically has like 90 horsepower more than this car. But yung 2.5 liter is matibay. At the same time, it's pretty fuel efficient. I think you can get like 8 or 9 in the city if you're, driving in eco mode, kasi meron naman eco mode, nakakatulong naman yan. Yeah, so that's the agenda for today. Stereo, backup camera, and change the lights, which I will show you later. So yeah, let's do it na, because this will take a couple of hours for sure. So yun, guys, they removed the whole, basically the dashboard, and kakabit na yung Pioneer na radio. So they're gonna remove the bracket of the old radio. Kakabit nila yung bagong, not the old bracket to the new radio naman para perfect fit. And there's fillers kasi I think there will be a little gap, guys, on the sides, which we will see later. Pero may fillers yan para wala na yung gap. Yun lang, guys. Then I'm gonna replace, like I said, the LED lights sa doors, dito, and sa trunk. And the backup camera. So later, I'm gonna show you guys once we hook it up, put the Pioneer radio, then put wireless Apple CarPlay. Let's see how it goes. So sanay ka na eh. You're vlogging na rin eh.
Yeah, should we
That's
collab?
good, dude. Yeah, man, we do. One time. Why not? So that's the
These are
the sockets for the radio. Yeah.
So that they're not gonna splice any personal wirings anymore.
Yeah.
They're gonna be using the sockets to power the new radio.
Yeah. We literally plug and play. Ah, yeah. By the way, yung like the XV50, remember the controls? It will work for the steering wheel, right?
No canvas needed.
Yeah, no canvassing. Yun.
Three wires lang.
Yeah. That's for the volume and for the track.
All of them.
All of that, yeah. All the
Controls connected to the stereo.
Yeah.
They'll all work.
Okay. Nice. Remote ko. Old school ah. Para sa likod. radio. Yan. Ito guys, the walang sawang Toyota radio. Pero mukha naman siyang stock. Pioneer naman. Perfect fit. Tapos may konting filler, no? Oh, meron. Bye-bye. So yan guys, yung bagong ano natin. Mamaya pag nasarap na ako. Ano ang ginagawa ni Kuya, the best. Galing. Parang stock lang. Ito, palitan natin ng LED. Ano yan? T10 ulit?
T10 po.
T10, no? Parang dati.
Bilangin ko lang lahat.
Okay guys, so LED na. Like, ano yan? Automatic na yan. Pag halogen, replace to LED. Ngayon, doors na lang. Okay guys, we're back home. Ayan, nagpakabit na ako ng backup camera. So, ano lang, I mean, it's a good camera like the XV50 guys. Ang problem lang, the screen is small, diba? Compared, because of the dashboard layout guys diba? Pero okay na yan. I'm happy with it. I don't wanna mess up with the dashboard kasi yan talaga yung design niya. But, it's good. Let's forward it a little. Ayan guys, okay naman, malinaw naman siya. Then, I'm gonna show you, lagyan natin sa part. Okay. Yan, so we changed the, it's so bright actually, sobrang bright. So the visor lights, both. Yan. Tapos, of course, the unlock natin, tapos yung trunk natin. And, ano pa ba yung unlock ko? Unlock. Yan, yung hood. Yan, guys. So, ilaw. So, all the doors are like that. Yan, all four. Ay, binukas ko to. Yan. Anyway, the trunk lights, palit. Last but not least, yan, all LED na. So yun. Close na ng likod. Okay. So yun guys, basically that's what we did. The radio's nice, Pioneer. So this one cost 30,000 to retail dun sa Electrovox. Is it worth it? I guess you're paying really for the brand kasi Pioneer siya, so alam mong yun na matibay. The nice thing, you could use all the functions, diba? So you can call here, the track also, it links with this, which is good. Of course, I wish the screen was bigger sana hanggang dito, pero hindi talaga this is what I can get for this model because of the dash layout. Hindi kagaya ng XV50, malaki yung layout for the what do you call this? For the stereo. So yun, okay naman. I mean, I'm happy with it. Bigger screen would be nice, but this will do. Okay na to. Like I said, malinaw pa yung screen, yung camera is good. Yeah, let's check the camera again. Okay naman. I like the fact that this tilts the side mirror when you reverse, which helps a lot. Yan guys, so I've been happy, very happy with the car. It's been treating me very well. Of course, I only had it for a couple of days. Like I said, now it's mag 11,000 pa lang yung kilometers. Imagine, sobrang baba, and yeah, I'm just happy with the car, and yeah, it's really worth it. I love Camrys. Kahit anong Camry pa yan, from XV20, 30, 40, 50, 70. They all been very good cars. I only had the 30, 40, 50, now the 70. And it's hard not to like a Camry just because it's so spacious, comfortable, reliable, pretty fuel efficient for the size of the sedan. Lakas ng aircon, guys. Sobrang lakas. Actually, this aircon system is stronger than the aircon of the Hilux, which is a newer vehicle, 2024 ito 2020. Parang malakas yung aircon nito eh. And yeah, I like ito, guys. Nagtataka ako kasi sa all the other Camrys before this, meron physical buttons yung, let's say, for the sensors o parking sensors dito. Tapos meron din for the rear sunshade. So nagtataka ko bakit hindi walang button. So I can't dito lang sa likod pwede press. Yung pala meron dito. So you just go here. Let's check it out, guys. Ayan. So labas tayo, punta tayo sa ayun So sa parking sensors, yan. To make it clear. Yan. Tapos exit mo na yan kasi binukas ko lang yung hood. Yun, you could open and close. Tapos press mo. Ito pala. So nasa menu na. Also the heads-up display, which is yun. Just try to make it clear. Yan, heads-up display. Pwede mo rin i-switch off dito or on again. Tapos yung parking sensors. Kasi kanina, guys, grabe yung mga motor, because it was traffic. Laging nagbi-beep, hindi maalis-alis, so na medyo nainis ako. So I was trying to find the button, like the XV50 and 40 may button dito, mas madali. Pero ito okay naman. Like I said, nothing to complain. They just simplified it basically. And yeah, it's been good. And thank you to Electrovox, guys. Everybody watches my videos knows that I only go to Electrovox for accessories, and they give me good deals, and they're gonna give you good deals. And they also have a YouTube channel, so follow them on YouTube, Electrovox, sa may Evangelista Makati. Thank you to the family that owns that shop. They've been, even their people, the ones kinakabit yung stereo. Shout out to you for doing a good job. And yeah, I'll see you in my next vlog, guys. We're gonna do a lot of Camry content because I love driving this car. So I'll see you in my next vlog. Always take care and good night. Or good morning or good afternoon, wherever you guys are. So take care.